In today's video, I will show you how to monetize your YouTube channel step by step without missing any steps at all. So instead of looking for someone to always monetize your YouTube channel for you, save this video, use these procedures to monetize your YouTube channel. Now you go to your YouTube studio either on your phone or on your laptop, and then you click on the earning sign. Once you click on the earning sign, it is going to show you all of this. Earn on YouTube, start your YouTube journey. Once you turn on the application button before monetization, YouTube will definitely show you apply now. So for those of you that might not be seeing apply now, it simply means you have not verified or you have not done your two-step verification on your YouTube studio. So do it, and then you will see apply now once you get your 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscribers. So now you can see my apply now because this channel is complete with the requirements. Now once you click on apply now, this is exactly how it's going to be, and of which you see earn on YouTube. The first step, reviewing base stem. The second step, signing up Google AdSense. And the third step, get review. These are the three major processes. Now you click on start. Now, if you click on start, this step usually do not take a lot of time. Before you know, you just take it for you good, because why? This is you just reading all the YouTube terms, regulation, understanding it, digesting it, and then accepting the YouTube terms, rules, and regulation. So I would advise anybody that want to monetize to take their time to read all of these rules and regulation, so that at the end of the day, you know that you are on a safe side. So right now, once you are done reading, you go ahead and tick this I accept the term base, and you click on accept, and automatically you will see that the step 2 will be tick done. Now once it's tick done, it's now left for the step 2 that you are going to do, which is signing up for AdSense. On this case, if you have an AdSense already, it is going to be very easy for you to just go ahead and select that, yes, I have an AdSense. But if you do not have an AdSense account, you click on what? No, I do not have AdSense. Now you can see that I click on yes because I have an AdSense account already, which is the one I've used to monetize my first account, and I will just attach this to it. If you want me to do a detailed video on how you can open an AdSense from scratch, let me know. I'll do that for you. Now you click on continue. Now if you click on continue, it's going to load you up to another page so that you can go ahead and sign up the AdSense account. On this case, if I'm closing the AdSense account, I'm sorry, this is the AdSense account. So I click on the email on the AdSense account, and they said I should re-enter it. I should re-enter the mail again, just for them to be sure that it is my AdSense account. So now I always advise you not to create an AdSense account before getting your 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscribers. Reason is because if you do that before you apply for monetization, you might have misunderstanding in trying to get which is the right Google AdSense account for you. But if your channel is free as bell, without having any AdSense before you arrive at your 4,000 and your 1,000 subscribers, it will be very easy for you to just choose no, I do not have AdSense. You will see it there. They will pop it up for you. Create with your name and every other stuff. As simple as ABCD, you have created your AdSense account and you move. So do not get an AdSense account before monetization on YouTube. The reason why I'm doing this again, I'll say this, is because I already have a monetized YouTube channel. So, and I already have an AdSense account. So that's why I just go ahead to attach the AdSense account here. So guys, when I've logged it in, you can see that here is showing me my YouTube channel URL, which is the one I want to actually link this AdSense to, and it will show me set up accounts. So I just go ahead and click set up accounts, and once I click set up accounts, it will now show me redirecting to YouTube. I click on redirect to YouTube so that it will take me back to my YouTube studio to be sure that the AdSense account is successful. As at this time, you can see me coming back. It has not showed up here, so I just have to refresh, and once I refresh my YouTube channel, you can see that after refreshing, it is showing done. So step 1 done, step 2 done, and step 3 will automatically show in progress. Now for step 3, this is where YouTube go into your channel personally to review all your content by their self, for their self. So this is when, if you have reused content, it is going to be an issue here. So before you do all of this, ensure that all the videos in your channel, they are your videos, and no videos is repeating each and every itself, and at the same time, no issue found on your channel. Now, it doesn't even take me how many minutes. In less than 24 hours, I receive a congratulation note, which is congratulations, you're welcome to YouTube partnership program. As a YouTube partner, you can monetize your videos, short and live stream, and get support. So you just go ahead and click on let's go. Now for let's go, it doesn't just end there, because this is where you have to do all the necessary things. Now you will see all of these things. For now, your videos are not ending yet. It's just your setup. You can see that my setup is complete here, right? Now for your videos to start ending, now you click on get started and click watch paid ads. You can do the same thing on your phone. Now for the watch paid ads, once you click on it, you're going to read all the rules and regulations regarding the watch paid ads and the rest of that, and then you click on I accept the watch page terms, and you click on I accept again, and YouTube is going to show you that your YouTube select place for ads, because this is where they start putting ads on your videos. So for your mid-row ads, your place ad, finish later or next, you click on next, and it's also going to show you all my existing video. It simply means you want YouTube to place ads on all your existing video. Please go ahead and tick all my existing video, and then you click on monetize all. It's as simple as ABCD. Initially, you will do it one after the other, but YouTube has made it very easy for them to be able to do all your existing video for you. So when I click on monetize all, that one is done. You understand? Now you can see the watch paid ad now is active. Now you click on your short feed as well and turn it on, and then you're going to read the rules and regulation as well, and you're going to be accepting the short terms and condition. Now when you click on the accept, it is also going to be turn on, but have it in mind that your short own, you might not see it immediately. It takes like 2 to 3 hours before the short own will be active. In some cases, you can also see it immediately that the dollar sign will now be popping on your shorts. Now we are done with this one. For membership, I've done membership in a separate video, so I might not be doing it in this particular video. You go to super chat, and then you click on get started as well. So I'm going to be showing you everything regarding your membership, so that your membership will not take much of our time. So we'll just go direct to supers, and then we are going to activate our super stickers, super chats, and the rest of that. This is me just showing you the procedures of the membership setup. Once you're done turning on everything, go to your videos. You will see that all your videos are turned green. You can see that all my videos are turned green because I do not have any video that is having issue, and my process was able to be fast and quick as well, because one, my videos were not much, as at this time I had just barely 20 videos. Secondly, I follow all the YouTube rules and regulation, and thirdly, I do not have any copyright strike active on the channel. So if you have a copyright strike that is active on the channel, this process might not be the same for you. So now you're going to go ahead and put ads in between your long form videos. And although YouTube has really changed the strategies of putting ads right now, whereby YouTube can personally help you put ads, because recently most of my videos that I upload on YouTube, before I will come back and place ad, YouTube automatically plays an ad. And this is the update that they've already done. That was last month. They actually brought out that update last month and started making that update effective this March 2025. You understand? So now, normally, once you are done putting all your ads on all your videos from beginning to the end, it must be videos that is 8 minutes long. Then you are sure that your channel is fully set up, and now you can make money from the comfort of your home. You can upload videos. Now have it at the back of your mind that any videos you upload as someone that is creating content on YouTube, you must ensure that you turn on the monetization bell of those videos one after the other. YouTube has automatically helped you turn on the ones you previously have on your channel, though we now help you turn on the new videos that you'll be uploading. So you have to turn them on, and ads will be placed on them. If you still want to put more ads, you can still go and put more ads. If there is anyone for you to remove and is in an interruptive space, YouTube will also show you. So this is just the simplest process of putting ads in between your videos on YouTube. Once you're done, you save, you are good to go. So this is how you can simply monetize your channel from beginning to the end. Like I said, if you want me to do a video on how to create a Google AdSense account as a new fresh channel, let me know in the comment section. I am definitely going to be doing that for you guys, step by step, detail by detail. Anyways, thank you so much for staying stick and hook me to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Please do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you're still struggling with your channel, you're still battling with your channel, you want us to come into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, yes, we can do that for you with the mail in the description box, or the mail that I will pin in the comment section, or you can also find this mail in my bio. You can reach out to us and we'll help you do that by the special grace of God. If you have not even built channel at all from scratch, you don't even know anything regarding how you can even start, and you're just watching this video, through this video, that you know that yes, you can make money on YouTube, we can still help you do that from beginning to the end. All you need to do is just to still reach out to the mail that you are seeing, and then what, send us a mail so that we can actually come to your channel to help you and also help you grow on YouTube. And yes, I hope this video is able to help someone. Like I said, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.